Yo yo yo, what is up YouTube? It is your boy ZT Speed back at it again with some more Diablo Immortal content. And today we're going to talk about the interaction with the chestplate Soup Mordaunt and Seeping Bile. So if you're unaware, Soup Mordaunt's a new legendary piece that just got added to the game, which makes Smokescreen now hurl an acid bomb that damages enemy continuously. So this works really well in theory with Seeping Bile, because Seeping Bile, whenever an enemy dies to poison, they explode and they poison the other enemies around them, which then once they die, they explode and then poison more, so it's kind of like a chain effect. I honestly don't know if the speed decrease also is applicable when they get poisoned. It's hard for me to tell and test it. So here's the video I just released, and as you can see, we go right into the Elder Rift, no funny business going on. So we can see there that a lot more of them got the poison. And keep in mind that I'm not putting it down again. It looks like this poison is spreading so much more. So I think they ninja nerfed it with Seeping Bile. What do you guys think? It's hard for me to tell. But I mean, that's a perfect example of it right there. It spreaded perfectly right there, and I did not see any of that in my earlier gameplay. I don't know if that might be a percentage thing that just wasn't proccing. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's spreading a lot more in this video. There's one left that was poisoned, but then he got another person poisoned. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I was better at grouping up enemies. Like, here's a good point where I actually kind of whiffed this first one, but the second one is pretty good. I also should probably take off his Wensons for this testing, but like I said earlier, it's too much resonance, man. But see, it looks like it's different now. We'll try one more time. So we'll get you guys. Alright, this should be enough. See, it's not spreading like it used to. I would have thought it would at least spread to one of these dudes. But yeah, it's gonna be really hard to test this. I mean, from my initial testing, it looks like they ninja nerfed it, or shadow nerfed it, however you want to call it. I don't know why they would shadow nerf an ability that hasn't even seen the light of day. I don't think that it was anything too OP. I think, if anything, it just made the skill more balanced. But I guess they wanted to nerf it before anyone could. I don't even want to say abuse it, because the skill isn't even that strong. It's just a lot of fun. And at the end of the day, I play this game for fun, not to do the most damage. You know, doing a lot of damage is important as a demon hunter, but I'm not going to sacrifice my ability to have fun over just pure raw damage, because I can't. There's no reason for me to compete in that direction. But anyways, I just want to make this short video talking about how the interaction of Seeping Bile and this new legendary chess piece has, well, been nerfed now, and it's kind of sad because I was looking forward to using this in PvP in Rite of Exile and kind of catch enemies off guard. When I kill them with poison, like all of a sudden they get poisoned again or they get poisoned by their teammate that fell. But I don't know how viable it will be now, considering the fact that Seeping Bile doesn't proc off it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stop by the stream, twitch.zt2_speed. I'll be live soon enough. Peace.